Hello, this is Edos Berry from the website Design Altitude, and in this segment of our CSS Mastery, we're going to be looking at divs and what they are used for and how they are being used. So, without wasting much of our time, let's go ahead and dive into our text editor. So, we're already in our text editor. So, let's assume we want to group these three paragraphs, okay, and give them background color. Okay, we can actually use div to give these three elements background color. So this is how it's going to go. Let me show you how we're going to do it. So we're going to use div tag. I'd like to space this. Okay, I think it's better this way. Alright, so div, then I'll close the div here. Okay, so if I go ahead and save this and preview it, it's not going to make any difference. So it's not going to make any difference. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it an ID. I'll say, I'll use my name, Edos, for instance. Oh, you know what? Let me change it to BG color. So in between my style tag, I'll give it a command. Okay, I'll say hash BG color. I'll call it race. Then I'll say background color. I can say pink. So let's save it and see how it's going to look like. You see, we've actually given it a background color using the div tag. That's one of the use of div. That's one thing div tags are used for. So I can actually change the width. I will say width. No, I don't bring the width. I can say 700 pixels. Save. Then let's see 700 pixels. I can actually use percentage. I can say instead of using 700 pixels, I can use 50%. For 50%, then I'll save. You see, so that's how you use div tag. A quick challenge for you: can you give this a background from this point up to this point? Can you give it a green background or a purple background? Go for it, my friend. Try to see if you can do it. I'll wait for you. I hope you're able to do it. What you should have done if you didn't get it right is you create another div tag. Okay, then you close the div tag here, then you give this div tag an ID. I can say second section, and don't always give space in between when you're giving your ID names or your class names. don't always put space. You can use dash instead. Makes sense? But I'm not using dash. I'll leave it this way. Then I'll come to my CSS command and I'll say second section. I'll say background color. I'll say purple. Purple, not purpose. Then width. I say 50%. Then I'll save. So let's see what it looks like. You see? So my friend, this is how you style web pages using div tag. And you can actually float the div tag. You can position your div tag. Okay, you can actually position your div tag, and we're going to be looking on how you can actually move your div tag to the right side of your page, to the left side, and other cool stuff, my friend. So in our next lesson, we'll be doing some other really great examples. In our next class, we're going to be looking at how we're going to be floating our div tag. Make sense? So I'll see you there.